Welcome back. Leslie Coretti is here with the Laguna Woods Professionals Club, and her guest today is Shirley Witt, who you all know from the Senior Services Center. Well, welcome. Nice to see you both.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So obviously it's Christmas time, and you guys are going to have a bazaar.
Yes, it is Christmas, and we're having our annual Meals on Wheels benefit.
Okay.
And so we are so excited about what is going on. Oh my God. We already have not a whole truckload, but many, many boxes of things that have already been donated.
Okay.
That we have been picking up during the month to put on the Meals on Wheels table. And so we're actually looking for people to bring any nice item that can be regifted, whether it be a beautiful sweater with a Christmas tree on it,
Okay.
or a Christmas decoration,
Okay.
a piece of jewelry, anything that they think that someone else may really like, but maybe they don't exactly need it or
Right.
want to keep it anymore.
Okay. So tell me how that would work. So you have a table set up.
We have several tables.
Okay, so I was going to say, one table is not going to hold all the items, right?
No. We have 4 to 5 tables.
Okay.
8-foot tables.
Okay.
Full of treasures.
And then you'll be reselling those treasures at the bazaar, right?
At the bazaar.
And all the monies raised will go to
Meals on Wheels.
Okay.
Yes.
All
and
right.
they can also make cash donations if they want as well.
Okay, so are you the only table there, or are there other people there?
No, there are other people there
Okay.
as well. So we have some Laguna Woods crafters that will be there
All
as
right.
well. We will have a luncheon for $6.
Okay.
And it'll be teriyaki chicken, fried rice, and salad and fruit.
Okay.
And we have many other surprises
Okay.
of things that are going to happen on that day.
Okay.
So it's going to be, I mean, we'll have everything to rest your body, to feed you,
Okay.
to excite you.
Wow, well, it sounds like a lot of fun.
It's going to be a lot of fun.
So everybody knows you, obviously, from
Thank you.
Age Well.
Thank
Tell
you.
me how this benefits you guys.
Well, first of all, thank you so much, the Professionals Club, for doing this each year. Meals on Wheels, as everybody knows, is a special program, and we're just so proud that you have Meals on Wheels as the recipients. We serve over 3,000 meals a month to our local seniors. And sometimes people don't understand that we take care of, it's not necessarily a long-term program, but like if someone's in the hospital and they come home and they need some respite for 2 or 3 weeks, they've gotten a knee replacement or a hip replacement till they're back on their feet. That's what Meals on Wheels helps with also.
Okay.
So we're, as everybody knows, Age Well is a charity, a nonprofit organization, so we thank everybody for their kind donations and thinking of us this year, but especially the Professionals Club who do this every year, and we thank you. Meals on Wheels, it's growing. The program is growing, and so we need your help, and we thank everybody who thinks of us. But we're saving lives. We're doing something wonderful in the community, and we have fabulous volunteers who do it from their heart.
Right.
And if anybody has any time on their hands, a couple hours a week, let us know, because we can always use your help. Our program is growing and growing and growing.
So you're saying it's growing from the standpoint of need?
Growing in the standpoint of need.
Okay.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Okay.
There's a lot of homebound seniors for whatever reason, and so we're there to feed them and to help them. And along with the volunteers, when we go into their homes, we're not just dropping off a meal, we're checking on them.
Okay.
And when we see that there's a problem or the recipient is not the same as what they normally are, the volunteers are trained to call back to the office. Our managers step up. We have a case manager. So we have a whole back force of people who step up and help.
Okay.
A lot of times we'll deliver Meals on Wheels on a Friday morning, and we don't go back till Monday morning. And sometimes the volunteers have found somebody that has fallen on Friday or Saturday.
Oh, gosh.
They've been on the floor for 2 or 3 days.
Oh, no.
And,
Oh my God.
many times that we've heard from the doctors that if it wasn't for our Meals on Wheels volunteers and from Age Well, we would have lost that person. So
Oh.
we're the link to the outside.
Okay.
So we do more than just serve a meal. We're the link to the outside.
Okay.
So we appreciate what the professionals are doing, and we appreciate the donations, especially this time of year, to keep our our company and our organization going so that we can continue to serve the seniors of this community.
Well, thank you for doing all of that, because
Thank
that's really
you.
an important thing. Tell me about the Laguna Woods Professionals Club. What is it?
Well, it's just a group of people that live here in the village, and some of them have, you know, like myself, been in the professional world, and now we're retired. And so we try to use our skills and things that we have learned from either being a teacher or a realtor or a nurse. You know, talking with people, meeting people. We have most of them participate with the Wellness in the Woods as well.
Okay.
And so we have doctors that come. We have our grand Taste of Laguna Woods every year.
Okay.
You know, which is a feast. You know, just to get people together, because we want to socialize, but we want to socialize in a way that people are actually speaking and talking to each other.
Okay.
And so it's not just about party music. You know, it's
It's not?
no, it's not just. It's not just.
Wait a minute.
We've done that. We've done that too. We've done that too.
Yes, you have.
We've done that too. But we're really trying to get into more conversation with people.
Well, what I like about that is you are able to talk about, you know, your profession, which you probably haven't been doing for some time. So now
Right.
people can learn more about you. You can talk about the skills and how things have changed over the years.
Oh, definitely.
Right? I mean,
A
especially
lot.
if you were a nurse or a doctor, wow, have things changed.
Yes,
That's a
yes.
long conversation.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
We don't even want to go there.
Yeah, no kidding. All right, well, let's talk real quick again about the shopping therapy experience, as you call it.
Yes.
It'll be on December 8th, which is Saturday, Clubhouse 7 from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Right.
And it's free entrance for all people, and then, you know, come ready to spend some money, because Age Well Senior Services is the beneficiary. And if they have any questions or need information, they can email you at lesliecoretti@yahoo.com or call you at 209-8846.
Right, that's right.
Okay.
And if they come and they want to have just lunch, or if they want to just, you know, try one of our surprises, you know, for relaxation,
Okay.
they can do that as well.
We're going to keep that a secret because
Yeah, we can keep that a secret.
it sounds very interesting.
And they can also just, you know, make cash donations, which a lot of people did last year, which
Perfect.
we really appreciated.
Perfect. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Because they're all
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you very much for being
Yes.
here with us, and thank you.
Thank
Nice to see you. All right, remember that is on December 8th, and that will be the Christmas Bazaar and shopping therapy with surprises. We'll be right back after this.